Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video we're going to unbox this Wyze version 3 outdoor and indoor camera. This is a surveillance camera that comes with a nice app software, and I've been following this particular Chinese company since its version 1. The Wyze camera or Wyze company makes good products with pretty good software. They're from China, and their main advantage is actually very low price and actually good quality for a low price. So quality wise, I've been pretty satisfied or surprised by their fit and finish and just the quality overall, the software, and how thoughtful their products are, and it works well for the prices. It's almost unbeatable. So yeah, so continuing on with version 3 of this particular camera here is packed full of features. As you can see here, it has 1080p IP65 rating. Pretty much you can use it outdoor for any situation. Two-way audio, 24/7 recording, free cloud storage for 12 seconds. That's pretty much all you need for most of the time. Motion and sound detection, in-person detection. This is a pretty high-end feature. Person detection. Full-length motion recording, of course with the asterisk, meaning you have to have a SD card in there, I'm pretty sure, or upload it through your cloud for a monthly service. And this is the biggest difference here between version 2 and version 3 is color night vision. It has a little bit of picture here. I'm going to try to actually do a similarity or difference between a regular night vision and a color night vision. I'm not sure if I can actually record it, but I'll try. Yeah, so it's compatible with both, obviously, Android and Apple. So I actually waited, I pre-ordered this probably in September, and it just arrived end of December, probably about December 27, 28. So it took a while for me to receive this, but the price, I think it was good. I believe this particular product, I bought it for, I think, about $20 to $30, maybe $29, I'm not sure. So yeah, let's see what comes with the package here. So we have, I think this is the camera itself. Let's open this up. As you can see here, the quality of the packaging is just not the same as a lot of cheap Chinese products. So the price is cheap, but again, the quality of the product and the packaging, it's really high-end. So this is the camera right here for version 3. So it's still a square camera. It's still one of these design where you can actually levitate and you can twist. So you can pretty much use this in any angle. I believe that this is magnetic, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not, I'm not sure. But yeah, so this is a wired and wireless version, I believe. The box says wired, but at the bottom here it says Wi-Fi 8.2.11 B, G, and N 2.4 gigahertz. So I'm not sure. I believe this is both wired and wireless too. See what this cable is for. This cable is actually for power. This is a micro USB female connector, and it comes with a micro USB cable that goes to a typical USB A or B connector here, and a micro USB here. So I'm guessing that this goes in here snugly or watertight, probably. Yep, it fits pretty much perfectly. Yep, and because of this kind of like silicone type of sleeve here, I'm pretty sure this is watertight. So that's pairing up together here. Let me see how long this cord is. Okay, I know you can see this, but it's about 6 foot long. So this is a cord that comes with it. It's flat, 6 foot long. All right, let's see what it comes with. What else comes with it? All right, so it comes with silica gel to preserve dryness. Comes with, here we go. This is just a steel. So I was right. It is magnetic, maybe. It comes with a double stick tape. If you want to just stick it on something using a double stick tape, you can do that also. I bet you stick this steel plate here, or aluminum, whatever, to the wall or whatever surface that you want using double stick tape, and then this probably is magnetic to there. See, the design, like I said, is always been pretty thoughtful, so you can pretty much guess what this company is going to do. Pretty thoughtful, works very easy. Okay, so magnetic system with double stick tape, good design. Nothing else in the box. Drywall anchor, 2 screws, so 2 drywall anchors and 2 screws. And a USB adapter or charger. And this is rated at 1000 milliamp or 1 amp at 5 volt. So this is just a regular 5 volt USB adapter at 1 amp. And that's it. Just like it says here, everything that came with it: USB cable, power adapter, wall mounting plate, screw kit, quick start guide. Let me see if there's anything special in the quick start guide. No, you just pretty much basically turn it on, install the app, and it's good to go. So I don't know why it says wired. I guess wired means power is using wired, so you have to power it wirelessly. Power it using wire, obviously. And but the actual signal itself is Wi-Fi. Because there's no connector, nothing here, so it's got to be Wi-Fi. And since this has two-way audio, I'm wondering where the microphone is. Definitely not on the front. So the microphone's got to be at the back, which is kind of odd, because I would figure that's going to be pretty hard to communicate using both speaker and microphone off the back. Yeah, the bottom itself doesn't really have anything. Well, actually, hang on a second. So we have a button here that says setup. So this is a button right here. And I almost missed this. There's an SD card right here. So there's an SD card slot that you can put an SD card in here, obviously, so you can record locally. And that's covered by a weatherproof silicone cover that is really hard to close. There you go. That's flat right there. Yeah. And the whole thing is plastic. I guess it's waterproof plastic. And there are some holes here. I hope that's waterproof, because water is going to get into that. Yeah, and then there's this screw pinhole. So you actually don't need to have to install this. You can just screw this on directly, and then you can actually manipulate this camera. It's pretty handy. Yeah, so overall the design is very nice. If you want to buy this, I'm going to put the link in the description where you can buy it from Amazon. I think you can buy it from Amazon, I'm not sure. But check my link in the description, video description, and also check the first comment. I usually pin the first comment as my as a link. Yeah, so I'm going to be creating another video to set it up and probably use it for about a month, and then I'll do another video reviewing it to see what I think about it. I hope this video has been useful. This is just an unboxing video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and to be notified of other videos in the future, please subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel. I hope that you will subscribe. It helps me grow. And you have a good day. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.